Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to buy premium on Bumble. Buying premium Bumble is a quick and straightforward process you can complete directly within the application. So first of all, open the Bumble application from your app drawer and make sure to sign in to your account. Once you are signed in, tap on your profile picture at the bottom left corner. Now, you will be able to see the premium upgrade option. Tap on the upgrade button right under premium and then this will open up the subscriptions option. Choose your desired subscription plan that Bumble offers with different durations and prices. Consider what suits your needs best and after you are done making a selection, tap on the Get button at the bottom of the screen. Now, confirm your identity and then you will be able to upgrade to Bumble Premium. Make sure you have your payment information correct. You can pay with your credit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. That is how you can easily upgrade to Premium on Bumble. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.